I see that you are now adding flavor to this chicken.
Absolutely.
What are we putting on?
First of all, I can't tell you that.
I would love for you to join me for something really, really special. I am partnering with Pfizer and the American Cancer Society for a new kind of series, one where people who have lived with cancer share their favorite family recipes and the powerful stories behind them.
I am the third woman in as many generations that has been diagnosed with breast cancer in my family.
There's a stigma with this cancer. A lot of families don't want to discuss it because it's a burden. And the burden for, especially for men of color, is like really tough.
We have recipes that are passed down, but so many of us don't pass down the health information. And that gets to change today.